we've mastered balancing the simplest equation, now we're ready to do some more challenging ones. This one happens to be one where we have two reactants and two products, and the product has a parentheses. This is going to remind us to multiply the subscripts for S times the number outside. So we're going to start with iron, and since iron has a 1 in front of it, there's going to be 1 iron on the reactant side. And then when we go to the product side, we have a subscript of 2 next to the iron, which gives us 2 on the product side. The 2 in front of the iron now allows us to see that there's 2 irons on the reactant side and 2 on the product side. Then we need to work on the sulfurs. And there's 1 sulfur on the reactant side because there's only a coefficient of 1. And on the product side, there's 1 sulfur in the parentheses and a 3 outside the parentheses, which reminds us to multiply, and that gives us 3 on the product side. So in order for us to balance, we need to put a 3 in front of our H2SO4. That will give us 3 on the reactant side, and now our sulfurs are balanced. Next, we're going to balance our oxygens, and since we have a subscript of 4 on the oxygen and a coefficient of 3 in front of it, we are going to have a total of 12 oxygens. On the product side, there's a 4 inside the parentheses and a 3 outside the parentheses, which again gives us a total of 12 oxygens. Lastly, we're going to do our hydrogens, and so we have a subscript of 2 and a coefficient of 3, which will give us a total of 6 hydrogens. On the product side, we have a subscript of 2, and so we need to know what number multiplied times 2 will give us 6 hydrogens on the product side. And so, of course, the answer is going to be 3. So when we're done, we'll have 6 hydrogens on the reactants, 6 on the product. And then you just go back and double check to make sure everything is balanced. And then there's no coefficient in front of the iron shown, but we can put a 1 there